loves! So today we're going to talk about the Colourpop Luster Dust. I probably will swatch these two other Super Shock highlights that just came out. Super Shock Cheeks. They are glitter ones, so I'll probably swatch these two because I'm obsessed. I'm wearing a little bit of one on my cheek along with one of these Luster Dusts. So they just dropped 5 new Luster Dusts. How many times can I say Luster Dusts? I have 3 original ones here with me and all 5 of the new ones. So we're going to swatch them. Normally I'm not huge on loose highlights, but I kind of got excited about these after it because I'd used this Makeup Revolution Pearl Lights in Peach Champagne. I'm obsessed with this. And I kind of figured out a way to use them that works for me because they're so messy. I hate getting things all over. The packaging for these is really nice. They did update it a little bit. So you can see this is what it looks like now. It's just Colourpop, like Colourpop sticker on the bottom. This is what the cap looks like. They're really nice size. You get a lot of product. You can use them wet, you can use them dry, you can use them as eyeshadow, you can use them obviously as highlighter. You can use them for many different things. You can mix them into your foundation, you can mix them into all the things. So they're very versatile. When you use them wet, they just are so much more metallic, just like a lot of other highlighters would be as well. I really love this highlighter brush. This is just from a set from Amazon. I think it was $13. It's starting to wear off on the handle. Something about this is just perfect for me. I just really love it. It fits into the cap of all of these really, really well. So what I do when I want to use one, I'm just going to show you guys how I use them and then we'll swatch them all. How about that? Let's do that. This is all over the place. I apologize. So I just spritz my brush with whatever. I'm using the Hangover RX 3-in-1. And then I just put a little bit of product into the cap. This is, so you can see the original packaging is different. It has a bit of a blue. It's like a sea foam. And this is what the product obviously looks like in there. And the brush just kind of fits in there perfectly. It never really gets all over, just kind of in there. And then I would just put it on my cheek. But since I have so much highlighter, I'm just going to dust it on my hand. This is Nomi. Hopefully you can see that there. So it just kind of amps it up to do it that way. It makes it a lot less messy. It keeps it kind of more concentrated because if you're just spraying the brush and dipping it in and tapping it off, it kind of sticks to the brush instead of getting all over. Because I'm not about the getting glitter and highlighter all over, powder all over. I will spill everything all over myself all the time. So this is just what I do to keep them, just to make them more usable for me. Okay, so first we're gonna start with Nomi, like you have just seen. This is what it looks like. You'll be rolling with the Nomis in the soft champagne with silver glitter. So that's what it looks like on a finger swatch. And there is a dry swatch. It's a beautiful, beautiful. So this one is Voir. And I feel like when I swatch them just like this, when they're like powdery, I'm not impressed. But when I wear them dampened, then I feel much more impressed. This is Dewdrop. Ooh, that's beautiful. Beautiful. There you go. There is Dewdrop, the bottom. So those are 3 original ones. Nomi, Au revoir. I'm probably saying that. Au revoir? Au revoir. And then Dewdrop. Nomi, Au revoir, and Dewdrop. I am wearing Strobe Globe right now as the most of the highlighter you see is Strobe Globe, and that little pinky bit is Spellbound. This Super Shock one. I love this. I love this. I'm gonna show you because I feel like all the swatches I saw must have been wet because when you swatch it dry, it's beautiful, don't get me wrong, but it's not like, so look at that. That's beautiful. Beautiful, so intense, so metallic. If you love a bright metallic highlight like I do, this one is for you. I do feel like it's a little darker than I'd want. I mean, it reflects really bright, which is nice, but if I look straight on, I can kind of see the color. I can see the color. So just keep that in mind if you are super fair like I am, but look at that. Bam! So again, that one is Strobe Globe. This one is my number 1. This one is Chill Pill. It's like a nice pinky shade. Okay, now you can really see it. So that's Chill Pill, which again is a soft lilac with pink duochrome flip. Let's do Sugar Trap. The swatches I saw of Sugar Trap were freaking beautiful. So this is Sugar Trap. I want to show you it in the packaging just so you can really see the powder. So Sugar Trap is the 3rd one. Ooh, that's really pretty. It says it's a super sweet pale pink with an icy sheen. Ooh, that's beautiful. It's a little more reflective than Chill Pill. All about that life. This is Just for Us. So the fourth one down is Just for Us. It is a pale peachy pink with pink and gold flip. That strobe globe is just, it's just stealing the show. This one is Hit Rewind. You can see it's going to be good for medium to deep skin tones. That's really beautiful. Of course, if you are fair like I am, you can use it as an eyeshadow. Ooh, that matches like the metallicness of Strobe Globe, I think. So that bottom one, just focus. That one is Hit Rewind. Rich pink with a gold flip. You have deeper skin tones. That's going to be so beautiful on you. Girl. But if you are fair and you want to wear it, I mean, any of them, of course, you can just wear as an eyeshadow. You can wear them mixed in with lip gloss. Like, you can do anything with these. That's what's nice. It's like having a loose pigment. It's just got that shine. Girl, I'm going to swatch Nomi one more time just next to Strobe Globe because I have had a couple of people ask me how close they are. So on the side is Nomi right there. And then obviously Strobe Globe is the top one. So it's a little more peachy pink and Strobe Globe is a little more like bright champagne gold. So beautiful. Okay, yes, let me swatch these new Super Shock cheeks just because we're talking about it. This one arrived broken, but this is the one that I have on my face. I am absolutely obsessed. This is Spellbound. These are glitter. I think they're the first glitter ones that they've done. So as you can see, it's a little bit more chunky. It's got reflex in it. It's just beautiful, beautiful. So these are super intense from what I've heard and what I've tried. You can see it's a little bit chunky, a little bit piecey, but I just wanted to share them with you because if you like an intense highlight and you don't mind glitter, girl. I used like a little duo fiber brush and it worked perfectly. It blended it out. It still got all that glitter, but it didn't look piecey. Like when I use my fingertip, it looks a little piecey and you just have to pat it out. But oh, so cute. And I haven't swatched the other one yet, but I'm really excited to, so we're gonna swatch that now. This is Felicity. Focus, please. Thank you. Felicity. So pretty. It's kind of got a rose gold kind of thing going on. It kind of reminds me of Sugar Trap, I think it's the one. There are those two. I thought that you guys would just want to see those as well. So I feel like this is like on the super glittery, intense highlight spectrum. And then with the loose highlighters, you can use them dry for a little less intense and like wet for like a super intense glow. If you want to glow like this, just spritz your brush a little bit and you're good to go. All right, loves, so I think that is everything. Let me know what kind of video you want to see next. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like Colourpop videos and just like mini little swatch sessions like this. Just let me know. Okay, I love you guys so much. Please subscribe if you have not already, and I will talk to you soon. Bye. Go to the Colourpop website to look at what the description of Nomi is. Should have opened all of these before, but I didn't. Au revoir, really, Shannon? Au revoir. I can't even. Ugh. I'm embarrassing myself. I'm an embarrassment. Au revoir. Au revoir. Not au revoir. Oh, I'm driving myself nuts. Like that's a bad thing to be covered in glitter? No, girl.